So, what is cord cutting and why does every coach need to do it? I personally am very keen on boundaries. I have YouTube videos on it. I have podcast episodes on it. I have blogs written on it. I have social media posts about it. I chat about it with my group coaching program. I talk about it with my individual clients, but more importantly, I live it. And the fact that I have boundaries with myself, I have boundaries with my children, I have boundaries in my business, because here's the truth. Most of us don't grow up understanding the value of boundaries. And when it comes time to actually implement them, we don't really see how they work in our favor, or it feels too difficult, or it feels offensive to other people. So we often put it on the back burner. But let me just explain that boundaries are pivotal to your success. And this is why cord cutting has become a non-negotiable in my routine to help me really elevate my boundaries to the next level. If you're not familiar with cord cutting is a powerful meditation that you can do that allows you to recover your energy that has been lost and helps you to reestablish healthy boundaries. So essentially what happens is any interaction you have with another person, it could be a coworker, it could be a spouse, it could be an ex, it could be a family member or a friend, it could be a client in your business. Any interaction that you have with another person, you are essentially creating energetic cords that tie you to this person. And sometimes we don't know it, but many of us coaches are empaths, and we end up feeling this heaviness. We end up feeling drained, or we end up feeling anxious, and we don't even know why. And this intense heaviness, that anxious feeling, that drained feeling, is actually a sign that you're taking on other people's stuff. But the good news is, cord cutting allows you to take yourself out of that place and allows you to restore your energy back to you. As a coach, I think it is so imperative that you understand the process of cutting cords, because we as coaches want to support people. We want to give advice. We want to go in deep with people. We want to do follow-ups. We want to do all of these things, which are essentially creating these energetic cords that carry so much weight into our personal life. And when you use cord cutting, it's not a selfish activity. It's helping you to restore your energy back to you and to also give the energy back to your client that is actually there. So it's a win-win for both parties. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can cut cords. You can smudge, where a lot of people will use sage to really clear the energy. You can use visualization, and in the mind's eye, visualize yourself cutting a cord with giant scissors away from that person that you feel that energetic tie to. You can use journaling as a way to really just express your frustrations and all of those thoughts coming up for you, to be able to create this release of all of those heavy emotions or thoughts or feelings that you're carrying. A lot of people will also use salt baths. The reason that people use salt baths is because salt baths actually help to cleanse you energetically, and it helps to bring you back into the state of homeostasis or into a state of balance. And it's simple, but it's really, really powerful. The most used form of cord cutting is a cord cutting meditation. So in addition to salt baths, smudging, journaling, visualization, cord cutting meditations are so powerful. Cord cutting meditations allow you to go in deep and allow you to really do the work at cutting those energetic cords in a way that frees you, in a way that allows you to feel energetic, in a way that takes the weight off of your shoulders. It is so powerful. Inside of my Elevate Your Client Sessions guide, I walk you through when you should use cord cutting, as well as I give you a free bonus cord cutting ritual meditation, because I realize the power of understanding and showing up energetically in the right state of mind in your sessions. But I also understand that unless you are full as a coach, you can't pour, right? We can't pour from an empty cup. And so I am giving you the tools to not only elevate your coaching sessions, but I'm also giving you the tools to really take care of your space and your energy so that you can show up as the coach you're called to be. If you're ready to dive in and get started, use that link below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.